Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello and welcome everybody. This is MK. Welcome to my organization. Today I'm going to show you how to increase your audio volume or not cancel noise of any video or audios from Camtasia Studio. For this you have to install Camtasia Studio. Okay, just open your video into it, video or audio file here. Now click on the audio files and click on audio here. You just see your audio files here. Now click on enable volume leveling and click into high volume variations. Now click on advanced, then enable noise removal. Now click on remove clipping and remove clicks and just click on auto noise training. Just okay. Now if you want to increase your video sound, just click on just draw and bus on okay. This is now you can save your video audio file from here and just now select a format of your video or audio files and just click on next and put down your name and just click on finish. This is friends, that's it friends. Thanks for watching this video.